Hi there everyone, this is my first time uploading an art video as I haven't always been confident in my drawing ability and putting it out there for all to see. But I'm finally doing it and gonna start uploading art videos and look at doing longer ones eventually as well. This is a drawing I did of an original character I did back in high school, which I will only show for a split second as it is very cringe. Anyway, this is a very short progress video of how I drew her from start to finish, though there will be a second part when I digitize it up on my computer. I started with drawing her on paper first, then I took a photo of it and downloaded it to my computer so I could open it in a drawing program. I use Photoshop for all my drawings as it's what I'm used to, but any other drawing program would have similar results anyway. Stay tuned for part 2, which should be up in the next couple of days.